What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Today it's a little bit of a late upload, but I just had some stuff to go do, right? Today we are Friday, December 5th, and as you guys seen by the title, we're back to the lobby. It sucks. I just wasted 1 week for literally nothing, right? But there's nothing that I can do, right? Here's the stats. I mean, there's nothing to check. Just full on blown. I took a trade today, pre-macro. I took a short. I ended up getting stopped out for $2,000, and then from there I had $2,000 left. And I really wanted to pass the accounts today, right? So what did I do? Well, I took another trade and ended up blowing everything, right? Honestly, this whole week has been just iffy for my strategy, honestly. Like, I'm not even proud of this week, to be honest, of my trading. Of my day trading. I mean, there's not even a point of showing you guys the recap, but because I basically just did nothing wow, but here. So I marked this draw. We have the sell side right there. Right there, pre-macro. Market open, we sweep this buy side that I marked. Then what? We manipulate a little bit and then display slower. So we are in a reversal. Perfect, everything makes sense, right? We have this fair value gap. Now I said when it's in a line, I just don't take it, I wait. We made this fair value gap, perfect. And yeah, I straight up just entered. I think I entered at 45. So actually it was in macro then. Yeah, the trade was probably in macro. Anyway, like this just makes sense. A lot of time we get bank reversal, we create a fair value gap. Like here, let me show you guys. What is price more likely to do? We came here, created the fair value gap. Price is gonna retrace and then go lower, right? But no, price did that, created the fair value gap and then came back up. So it's whatever. I mean, I still respected my strategy. I just took the L here. Then once I took the L, because honestly, there's nothing else like. Let me tell you guys this before I continue the recap. I think so tomorrow I'll do a backtesting video or the day after, right? Just to keep the consistency going. But honestly, because you guys know, I just go on the lower time frame. I mark the buy side, the sell side. Then we get a reversal or a continuation, and I just take the trade, right? I mean, the month of November worked perfectly for it. So this doesn't mean I need to change, but I need to adapt, right? So, for example, here we had a 5 minute fair value gap, 15 minute fair value gap. On the hourly, we had nothing. So maybe I need to tweak out some stuff, gather more data to see if it's actually good. Because normally this trade would have just worked out, right? But it seems like at 9:41 we filled this 5 minute fair value gap and then straight up, bang, all the way up, right? So there is definitely some stuff that I need to recheck my notes and stuff. Because like I said, the whole week was just meh. Anyway, so yeah, I took this trade, took an L. I'm like, all right, I have $2,000 left of drawdown, 2.5. And I have either I'll wait for Monday, which I should have done, but there's no point of saying that, but I should have done it, right? Or I look for another trade. I ended up looking for another trade, and honestly, I don't even remember the trade that I took. I just took something like so ass and got stopped out. And yeah, I'm being 100% transparent with you guys and with myself. At the end of the day, I'm still, I guess, learning. I know that I'm capable of getting payouts, and that's one thing, right? I know that I'm capable. I proved to myself many times. But right now, I am trying to get those 150Ks, which are way harder. Why? 150Ks, I need 9K of profit to pass, and I have a drawdown of 4.5, right? Perfect. But now if we go on the 25Ks, it's a 1-to-1. 1.5K to lose, 1.5K to win. So if we do the math, I mean, here I'll just say it. I can risk, because you guys know 50% consistency, so I need at least 2 days to pass the accounts, and then I need a minimum of 5 days, right? So let's say on the 25K, I risk 375. 375. I win my first day, so bang, 1 to 2, 750, and then I win another day, bang, the account are already passed. Let's say I lose. I need to lose one. Let's just do this. Divided 375. I need to lose 4 times in a row. Now, if we take the same thing but put it on the 150s, I need, if I risk even just half, right? So divided by 2, it's gonna be 2,000. I only have like 2 tries, and then $500 left, right? What I'm trying to say is just the 150Ks. I really just need to take my time with it. I can't trade it as the 25Ks. 25Ks, even if I take 2 L's in a row, one good day wipes out everything. One other day, I'm already half past, you know? These account, I need to trade them as I started. 1K for 2K. If it takes 2 weeks, it takes 2 weeks, right? That's how it goes with those accounts. And then, once they're passed and the buffer, the trailed buffer is met, blah, 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 then I can start printing, right? But then, as you guys know, let's say I have my pros account right now. I know I'm just yapping, but it's kind of good information, right? Let's say right now I have my buffer is met, I have my pros account. I'm risking $1,000 for a 1 to 2, so bang. I have 5 account, multiply by 5. That's 10K. Perfect. We can take a payout minus the 20% that take profit takes. I have 8K, 8K USD, convert that into CAD, bang, 11K. 150Ks, the accounts are harder and take more time to pass, but when I win, I can look to take every single day of winning day 11K, right? Now let's take the 25K, easy to pass, super quick. I have 1.5K drawdown. I can risk 500, 500. If I lose this, 250, 250, that's 4 trades in a row. Perfect. 1 to 2, so that's 1K, multiply by 5 accounts, 5K. The fees, 4K, multiply that, convert that into CAD, 5.6. So the time that I'm taking to pass the 150Ks, which can take 1 to 2 weeks if I traded it actually correctly, risking a little bit, I can be looking to make 11K, which is very, very good. Or I can go on the 25Ks that I know I can pass easily. It's a 1-to-1. 1.5K drawdown, 1.5K to pass. And then I can make 5.6. Now it's half of what I'm making on the 150Ks, but it's way easier. And honestly, guys, on Take Profit we can only have 5 accounts. And I checked other prop firm. I just don't like their consistency rule. You need 5 winning days to only take 50%. I don't know. And like the only one I can think of maybe in the future to add it would be Top Step. Get 5 more accounts. But then it's the same thing. 5 winning days, blah blah blah. Take Profit, I just love it. It's as real as like a live account. Once you pass everything, there's barely any rules. There's no rules actually. You take your trade. Of course, you just don't trade during news and stuff like that, and that's it. Daily payouts, daily everything. Anyway, enough rambling around. So yeah, as of right now, I am really thinking about buying the 25Ks and just trade with those. At least we'll be back at making consistent payout and having something coming in the bank, right? Then later on, I can always open up 150Ks and copy trade everything, and once they're passed, when they will get passed, I can just close or just put to the side my 25Ks and trade my 150s. Because on Take Profit, you can trade infinite amount of evals, copy traded, but for a pros account, you can only have 5 at the time. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, because it's been like already 3 to 4 weeks, nothing is coming in money wise, and yeah, I'm just being honest with you guys, right? How much is this? 12 minutes already. Wow. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So I'll probably get 25Ks going right now, just to make it count as a day. Doesn't even matter, but I'll just open it right now. Let me go check something. Let me just go here. I'll pause the video right quick. Alright, we're back. So yeah, I mean, I was checking, like I said, all the prop firms. Take Profit is the one that I want to stay with. Account wise, the only two that are actually worth are the 25K right there, and the last one, 150. Nothing else is actually interesting, because even if I get the 100K, for example, my drawdown is 3,000. So let's say 3,000 divided by 4. 4 meaning if I take 4 L's in a row, which is highly unlikely to happen, I blow the accounts, I can only risk 750. 750, multiply that by 122, 1.5 by 5 accounts, minus the 20%, multiply that by 1.4. So I'm going to all the trouble just to make 5, 6, 7, 8, like an extra 3K. So that's what I'm saying, the 150s or the 25Ks, no in between. Yeah, honestly. Anyway, that was the video, guys. Hope I didn't bore you guys or whatever, but I'm just saying what I'm thinking. And yeah, it's unfortunate I blew the account. It happens though. I was willing. I am trading aggressive, let's be honest. I am trading aggressive. But I am okay with losing if this means getting the accounts faster. But like I said, right now let me just think if I'm getting these types of or these types of accounts, and I'll let you guys know. Tomorrow I'll probably drop a video of me backtesting on FX Replay right there. We'll go on ChatGPT, just ask them, give me a random month, give me a random number or something like that, and backtest with you guys. But before I do that, I just want to make sure if I need to tweak out some stuff first, or not, right? So yeah, thank you guys for watching. A little bit longer video here, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.